Classic shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a juice with me video. I'm just going to be showing you how I prepare my juices for the week. In another video, I'm going to show you another what I eat in a day. In case you're wondering, I don't just drink juices all week. Here I'm starting by dispensing my oranges and my citrus fruits into one of these containers for my fridge. I absolutely love citrus fruits. Not only are they delicious and refreshing, they are rich in compounds called flavonoids, which have been shown to inhibit growth of cancer cells and prevent the spread of tumors. So I love getting citrus into my diet. I'm also adding in my pears. Basically, I get loads of pears for my green juices. They help sweeten my green juices, and also some ginger and turmeric because I love spices. If you're new here, I'm on a journey of raw veganism. I have started to incorporate a few cooked foods, but nothing too crazy. So I'm just going to put those fruits into my fridge. I'm also going to show you a little haul of other fruits and veg that I get for the week. I get some bell peppers. I'm going to show you a really nice juice that I make with the bell peppers. Some berries for my smoothies. Pomegranate for another one of my juices, and passion fruit. Here is my fridge for the week. I have my green fruits and vegetables for my green juice. I have my fruits for my fruit juices. I have water for when I go to the gym, sweet potatoes, mushrooms, berries, watermelon. I'm going to show you the rest when I start juicing. But yeah. And I also have miscellaneous fruits in my fruit baskets like bananas and avocados that can't go in the fridge. So I'm going to start with a fruit juice. I love starting the day with a fruit juice, but I'm going to show you how I make them. This is another favorite of mine. If you watched the other video, you guys may know that I really like watermelon. Watermelon is 90% water, so it's really, really good for if you're dehydrated. It's a highly alkalizing fruit. It provides energy, it boosts the immune system, it strengthens bones, cleans kidneys, and prevents formation of kidney stones, and also fights cancer. So I absolutely love watermelon for my health. I'm also going to add some passion fruit. This helps hydrate my skin and keep it glowy. It also relieves constipation. And some lime, and I love pomegranates juiced. I also love eating them, but I love them juiced as well. Pomegranates are high in iron. They have high anti-cancer benefits. They soothe stomach aches. They're useful for curing fevers. They lower cholesterol levels, improve skin quality, protect against arthritis. They are high in vitamin C and potassium and helps fight nausea and morning sickness. So pomegranates are also really good for pregnant women as well. But yeah, I absolutely love the fruit. It's so sweet in taste. It makes a great juice, especially paired with watermelon. So I'm just going to get my juicer out, wipe it down. If you're wondering what juicer I use, I'm going to leave the link down below. I'm going to prep my juicer and we are ready to go. I'm going to add all my ingredients in the juicer and blend away. The good thing I like about this juicer is that I can basically make my juices and walk away. I don't have to stand there and physically put each fruit in. Recently, I've started putting my juices in a mason jar as I find that glass helps the juice last a lot longer than plastic bottles. I used to put them in plastic bottles, but this has definitely helped with the longevity of my juices, and it's a lot friendlier for the environment. So I got these mason jars from Amazon. I'll leave a link below if you're wondering as well. Just dispense them into this mason jar and then put them in the fridge ready for the week. So that's one of my fruit juices. You guys should definitely check it out. I would 100% recommend it. I'm sure if you're a sweet tooth, you would like it. And if you're not so much of a sweet tooth, you can take out some of the really sweet ingredients like pomegranate. Next, I'm gonna juice kind of like a fruit and veg juice. You might find this juice a bit icky at first glance, but honestly, I've been drinking it since like July and it's worked so good. This is basically a red bell pepper and orange juice. This is so high in vitamin C, which I love. Bell peppers have 157% vitamin C, and they help with the support of blood circulation, and they also boost your immune system. So I absolutely love this juice. It gives you such a great boost of vitamin C, as well as other vitamins as well. Ginger, which I added, and turmeric, which I added. Ginger is good for fighting against colon cancer and ovarian cancer. So if you're a woman and you're going through women health problems, definitely try this juice. I love it, and I love the taste of it as well. So that's another fruit juice. On to my green juice. So I have found a really good green juice recipe that works for me. I've been using this recipe for the longest time, probably since I started this whole journey, and literally this juice specifically, this green juice, works so well. I absolutely love the taste, and it has so many good ingredients that are so good for you. If you didn't see already, I had cucumbers, celery, parsley, which is a leafy green that I love. It just smells and tastes so good. It has citrus fruits, ginger, turmeric, pears for sweetening, and it just has so many great health benefits as well. The turmeric, if you don't know, turmeric is a spice that helps fight against free radicals and is a powerful weapon against inflammation. So if you're going through any inflammation, definitely try some turmeric in your juices. It helps ease joint pain as well as any other pain in your body, and it also helps heal the gut. So this green juice, so many great benefits. I try and get in at least one green juice a day and one fruit juice a day. My fruit juice in the morning and then my green juice in the afternoon. This is also going to be great for your skin. If you're looking to clear up your skin, if you have any acne or skin issues, definitely try drinking a green juice a day. It is so good for your all-round health. Yeah, so I just dispense them into this mason jar, and then I put them in the fridge. So this is what my fridge looks like. I just organize it. So I have one fruit juice a day. Like I said, I juice 7 green juices, and I think I juice about 5 fruit juices because it's expensive, girl. And I don't actually get as much juice from the fruit, funny enough, but I actually have other fruit that I eat during the week. So yeah, that's why I don't have as much fruit juices. But yeah, this is my fridge. I also have almond milk. I'm going to quickly show you how I make my almond milk if you're looking to make it yourself. So I start off with a bowl of almonds soaked, and I soak it overnight, and then they become really soft like this. Then I put them into my juicer and add some water. I also add some dates, for sweetness. If you don't know, the almond juice from the shop only has 4% of almond, and this almond juice literally tastes very almondy. Almonds are really good for brain and heart function. They help boost your immune system. They treat diabetes. They help improve blood pressure. They relieve stress, reduce cholesterol levels, treat constipation, fights against cancer. So many great benefits with almonds as well. So if you're looking to make your own almond juice, definitely try it. I love this. It's so rich and so smooth as well. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it with my prep for the week. Let me know if you'd like to see any other videos regarding my diet and what I eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely click the links down below to see any other info that you might need, and leave a comment down below and let me know if you'll be trying this anytime soon. I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.